Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change gender in FaceApp. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your FaceApp. Then after, choose the desired picture in which you want to change your gender and see how you would look if you would have changed your gender. Then tap on it, and then over there at the bottom you'll see the option of swipe towards the right, filters and all you can see at the bottom. Swipe right, and over there you can see the option of gender. Tap on it. So I'll tap on male, and you can see over here I've got mustache and my hair has been removed, and I've got beard as well. At the second option, if you tap on apply and go back, you can see the option of beard as well. You can add on beard. You can also take pro version and edit your photos, edit your pictures likewise. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.